Founded in 2011, ARK Electromechanical Company is a world-class manufacturing services and engineering design company, serving prestigious global brands across industrial IoT, automotive, communications, and consumer electronics. With an industry-leading standard of excellence, the company provides quality products paired with hyper-responsive customer service. ARK's commitment to superior research and design practices allows it to anticipate and deliver against the changing needs of its valued clients and the markets it serves. ARK makes every corporate, manufacturing, and service decision with the customer in mind, ensuring the client's needs are not only met, but exceeded. This approach has led ARK Electronics to quickly become one of the largest and fastest growing driving forces in the delivery of transformative technologies. Over the years, the company has been recognized by its esteemed clients for excellence as a supplier. In 2017, Hisense Electric honored ARK as a top 10 excellent supplier among its nearly 1,000 supply partners. Primed for global expansion, ARK employs 2,300 trained staff across 4 factories and operates a combined capacity of 123 production lines. For commercial and industrial IoT applications, ARK develops high-performance hardware design solutions. Utilizing cutting-edge equipment, they offer a broad range of SMT and PCB capabilities, including prototyping, assembly, and electronic subassembly services. Additionally, ARK delivers dual inline package services and artificial intelligence robotics, ensuring error-free production. Throughout any product lifecycle, ARK actively collaborates with its customers during the configuration, management, and change approval process to minimize risk and increase efficiency. With its suite of capabilities, ARK produces over 103 million pieces per year and performs over 850 million chip insertions per month. These impressive operations are supported by a best-in-class research, development, and engineering services center, staffed by 120 dedicated engineers and 30 full-time researchers. In an effort to reduce waste, the company maintains an uncompromising commitment to environmental responsibility. For each production process, ARK implements strict quality control standards through investment in advanced equipment, certified under the stringent ISO quality and environmental standards. The company's products are widely used across industries with clients including Sony, Samsung, Haier, Hisense, Gore-Tex, CultureView, and Lee TV. With years of industry knowledge and experience, and an unmatched reputation for exceptional customer service, ARK is poised to tackle any production need with accuracy and precision.